Welcome to the Family Consumer Sciences area of interest. Here you will find a variety of products to help with child development as well as culinary. Our products were designed to be added to an existing program or to help you jumpstart a new program. Our products were designed with educators to provide engaging tools to help you teach concepts like basic infant care and proper prenatal care, to the awareness of shaken baby syndrome, as well as helping students develop and understand designing a child care career center. For our culinary programs, we have a variety of training tools to help your students understand knife skills, food safety and proper food handling, as well as meat cuts. In addition, we have a hydroponics unit that is a great way for your students to grow their own lettuce or produce to use right in your kitchen. All of our products are coupled with curriculum to give you lesson plans, worksheets, PowerPoint slides, and activities for your students, in addition to pre- and post-tests. Browse all of our Family Consumer Science products under our Family Consumer Science page.